Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 31st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down 98 cents, 0.43%, closed at 227.54. Post-market, we are down by 1 cent. Let's look at what this means on the chart. Numbers mean nothing without context, and the best context there is looking at the chart. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is completely beautiful. We are into this upward channel right here. So I should do this resistance. So the top line is the resistance, the bottom line is the support. The resistance is always red because red is bad and green is good. Look at how this is perfectly aligning with what is happening. So we made a higher low today and we also made a higher high. But look at this perfection. Look at how precisely we touched the resistance. So the high of today is 229.85 and our resistance is at 229.77. I'm not making this up, guys. This is technical analysis for you. The stock movements are not random. If they appear random, it's because our lines are all bad. But the lines are good here because we are just smack on this resistance right here, and we are pretty close to the support right here. The stock is not really going down, and it's not really going up. It's getting squeezed. It's getting squeezed by the support onto the horizontal resistance. And at some point, if we squeeze something for so long, then it's going to start. Yeah, there's a definite possibility that we just go higher than 229.77. I know this is anti-climax what I said, but that's the best I can do so far. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, what did happen today? So we opened down today, but then we were stopped by the support. We started climbing back almost what we had gained, and then we started going up, and look at this here at 130. The 130 candle is right smack on that 229.77. The next candle is also very close to it, and we are just coming down a little bit here. We have stochastic over 60. We gain it back. So right now we are zigzagging a little bit. This is trendless. There's not much of a trend right now. It's trending sideways. This is a congestion zone. The stock does not know what it wants to do. And when this happens, then we sometimes see the indicators zigzagging also. So basically, nobody wants to do anything yet. But I'm okay with this because Tesla is not coming down. At least it's not coming down, it's staying up. This is good news in itself. Let's look at our indicators. Look at how stochastic is slowly coming up. So we are close to our stochastic over 60. Which means that when we break 229.77, if we have stochastic over 60, then that is going to be a valid move. Until when? Until which number? Nobody knows. We are just going to pay closer attention when we are going to be close to 242.86. We are going to pay attention here. And some of you might want to take some profit right here because we could be coming down, and why not take a little bit of profit? But we could also break. So we are just going to have to look at it as it happens. If we look at the RSI, close to 50, not yet. MACD, we have the breakover bullish. So I think I destroyed this a little bit. So we have our breakover bullish right here. We have the green line above the red line. You will notice that the colors of my indicators is not the standard color, because the standard color for MACD is, I think, orange and blue, which make no sense, at all. So I am using line colors that make sense. When green crosses above red, that's bullish. When the other way around happens, that's bearish. The same thing with DMI. The regular DMI has, I don't remember which colors, but they don't make sense at all. My colors make sense. So the plus DI is the green one, and when the plus DI crosses up the minus DI, and I put the plus DI green, the minus DI red, and when we have a red over green, that's bullish, a red under green, that's bearish. This is much simpler, and it makes so much more sense. So there we have it. We might be having a little bit of move in Tesla soon. So this is very interesting to look at. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.